Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using paid subscriptions. Let's get started. Most of the Facebook groups that you have joined, as you search inside the group's text box, are all free for anyone to join. But there's a feature on Facebook where businesses who have built their online presence can take advantage of. Paid private subscriptions are available to selected Facebook group owners or admins, as it will allow them to make a profit out of the members of the group. Facebook added subscription groups last 2018 to allow Facebook group owners or admins to add a subgroup for their customers and clients who are looking to view and get exclusive access to the brand's content. As a result, businesses can make a profit from each member who paid the monthly subscription inside their Facebook groups. Subscription groups are closed or private groups that only members who have paid a certain amount of fee will be able to have access to that paid subscription group. Facebook group admins can set up the group with paid access from their subscribers. Paid subscription groups can allow eligible groups to share valuable content, such as exclusive video tutorials or live stream content dedicated to members who have paid their subscription fee. But not all Facebook groups can use paid subscriptions. You cannot even convert your existing private group into a subscription group. You must comply with Facebook's partner monetization policies to be eligible to create subscription groups. You need to have a Facebook page with at least 10,000 followers or over 250 return viewers, having at least 50,000 post engagement or 180,000 watch minutes in the last 60 days. You can offer your online courses. By creating online courses and offering them in paid subscription groups, you can attract members who are located in different countries but are willing to pay so that they can learn more about what your topic is all about. They can discover your offer from a link that you have provided in your free private group or email promotions. Next, share exclusive live videos. Facebook live videos are more interactive and engaging with the audiences. It can be a fun way of showing exclusive demonstrations, and your subscribers can learn easily. You can even create polls, ask questions, and they can respond in real time. Next, offer tutorials about your expertise. If you offer music lessons, you can offer your products or services inside a Facebook paid group subscription. You can post live video content that your members can look forward to since they pay for a subscription to your exclusive content. You can use your free Facebook group to attract your potential subscribers. People join groups to discover content that is relevant to the group's niche, and if they found out about the products or services that you offer inside that group, they will value the products or services that you offer. They won't hesitate to shell out money to pay for a subscription and learn more valuable content that they can get from the paid subscription. Some of the paid subscriptions have set up a landing page outside Facebook, redirecting people to a website to learn more information about the products or services that you are offering in your paid subscriptions. The monthly fees that Facebook group owners can receive as payments from their subscribers can range from $4 to $30. Paid subscriptions can be a powerful tool for your brand or your business. Offer valuable content so that your members will not mind paying for a spot in your group. It can provide you with an income that can accumulate as more subscribers join your paid group. You can make a profit without leaving Facebook's platform. Now that you know about using paid subscriptions, we can now proceed to the next topic, generating leads from your group. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.